Page 24, Beautiful Brown Eyes. This lesson is about a lead line. A lead line is where they give you the melody and the chords. You see the chord names above it? That's down. And you make up the accompaniment. If you put a whole bunch of these pieces together in a book, it's called a fake book. And they can, if you enjoy this sort of thing, it's wonderful. Go for it. I'm just going to cover the basics. I don't teach much as improvising, but we'll cover a few things. To do this, you're going to have to focus a lot on the accompaniment, and that means you need to know the melody really well. So let's just look the melody over. It's what, 3 lines long? It's here, 3rd finger, and it's 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You don't have to play it that fast. You can play it anywhere. I can play it up here. Just you play it wherever you want. That's it. Then I need to make sure that I know what the chords are. So I'm just going to play a block chord. That's where you play all the notes at the same time. We're using the C, the F, and the G7 like we've been learning. So the C and the F and the G7, except I'm going to use the inversion, so I'm using a close position. So it's a C and F, G7. So those are the chords. So the first thing I want to do is I want to play the chords with the melody because I want to hear the harmony. And you stick with a chord until they give you a new one. We could play a chord on each measure. Here. Like so. We go through and I want to hear the harmony. Then after that, now I can start playing around with it. I don't need to play block chords. They give patterns here of this. They're called broken chords. A broken chord is when you're not playing a block chord. A broken chord is anything else. A blocked and a broken is anything. It could be this. Could be that. Could be that. Anything you want. It could be anything at all. It's up to you and your imagination. You just try different patterns out. Try their pattern you're suggesting at the bottom of this. Try some other patterns. How about a 1? It's up to you. There's no right or wrong here. As long as it sounds okay, it is okay. Now, don't do a play with me on this kind of thing because you can do anything you want in the accompaniment. It's up to you. And so just experiment and have fun with it. Over time, you'll build up a library of patterns that you use, that you like, and you'll be able to do other things. Because someday we're not going to be in a 5-figure position. We're going to be spreading out. Well, maybe I want to do something else. That's about all I have to say on a lead line. I'm sure we'll get more lead lines and more chords and things later on. You just need to know the chords, be able to play them hopefully without even looking at the keyboard.